Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. We're moving towards spring in Oklahoma, and that means lots of changes in weather. We're lucky this year to finish winter with some decent soil moisture. A map of plant available water for the top 32 inches of soil shows much of the state colored dark green with 90% or more of plant available water. The light green and yellowish areas are closer to 70% or less. When fire conditions are a concern, firefighters monitor fuel moisture. A map of dead grass fuel moisture at 4 a.m. Wednesday morning showed only a few areas below 10%, the tan color. A number of locations were above 20%, green colors. 12 hours later, at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, the vast majority of Oklahoma had dead grass, 1 hour fuel moisture at 5%. At 5%, fires that start burn rapidly and jump readily. First hollow stem stage for early group wheat varieties is progressing rapidly across the state. Red-colored areas have a 50% or higher probability of having reached first hollow stem. Middle group varieties are about a week behind the early group. Now here's Gary with a look at 2016 rainfall so far.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, I hate to do this to you. I really thought it would take longer for us to have to start looking at the drought monitor map again, but sure enough, this week Oklahoma's depiction has changed. So let's get right to that map and take a look at it. Well, we haven't seen big changes, but you can see that D0 or abnormally dry yellow area down in south central Oklahoma and also out around the Roger Mills, Beckham County area in far western Oklahoma. That's not a big change. It's not drought itself. It shows building dry conditions. But if you look at the overall map for the United States, you can see drought and abnormally dry conditions starting to spread across a large area of Texas. And of course, that is what is spreading up towards Oklahoma with our dry weather we've seen so far this year. And if you look at the Oklahoma Mesonet rainfall map since the beginning of the year, you can see why. Most of the state has seen less than an inch for the year thus far, and nearly all of the state has seen less than 2 inches. In other words, most of the state has seen from 60% to less than 20% of normal for that time period, other than far southwestern Oklahoma up through parts of central Oklahoma, which have actually seen a surplus. We have measured a statewide average of about an inch since the beginning of the year. That's about 1.6 inches below normal, and the 13th driest such period since at least 1921. So here we go again. We need some rainfall. We need it pretty badly. We would take snow, just about anything other than ice. So we'll see what the coming weeks hold, but we are entering spring. Hopefully we will enter a wetter pattern as we get into that time period. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.